The 2023 Camry keeps things rolling with a refreshed Nightshade Special Edition. The Camry was among the first Toyota models to offer the distinctive Nightshade Edition, a factory designer package without the customizer's price. For 2023, Toyota offers 3 moods of Nightshade with the choice of midnight black, white and the new Reservoir Blue exterior colors. The black front grille with sport mesh insert is borrowed from the Camry TRD model. The Nightshade also wears a black rear spoiler, mirror caps and exterior badges and, for 2023, adds black trimmed headlights and taillights for a stronger dose of attitude. The Nightshade Special Edition gives the 2023 Camry the look and stance of a premium sports sedan. The 2023 Camry Nightshade is available in SE-grade front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive and hybrid models. The standout new design feature for the distinctive Nightshade is the 19-inch matte bronze aluminum alloy wheels. These rims give a look that really pops against any of the 3 body colors offered. The standard SE-grade features carry over. The Nightshade Edition is designed to appeal to drivers who enjoy a car that gets little extra attention or for those who appreciate getting a designer look at a value price. That appeal is growing. The Nightshade package accounted for about 5% of Camry's sales in 2021 and, for 2022, is on track to be about 7%. The 2023 Camry offers a choice of 3 powertrains: 2.5-litre dynamic force 4-cylinder, 3.5-litre V6 and next-generation Toyota hybrid system. The dynamic force 2.5-litre engine is a strong but smooth operator, yielding an impressive 203 horsepower at 6,600 revolutions per minute and 184 pound-feet of peak torque at 5,000 revolutions per minute. Most all-wheel drive grades have 202 horsepower. The 2023 Toyota Camry prices are not disclosed yet, but we expect it to be marginally bumped over last year's $25,845 to $36,270 bracket. The 2023 Camry will be in Toyota dealerships before summer ends.